Shoe Material Factory introduces Reeman delivery robots. There are many shoe factories in the Philippines, but this one stands out as the most productive in terms of deliveries. They hardly have to work overtime. How do they maintain such high production efficiency? Hi, Kevin, how does the Reeman delivery robot handle the transportation tasks?
In the past, we heavily relied on manual labor for workshop deliveries. However, as our order volume increased, this approach could no longer meet our demands. Introducing Reeman delivery robots allowed us to tap into the immense potential of automation technology.
What issues does the Reeman delivery robot solve?
The Reeman delivery robot features an advanced, big dog, robot chassis with outstanding functionality and performance. What attracted us the most was its modular development and open interfaces, allowing us to customize operations based on our specific needs.
How does the robot operate in the workshop for deliveries?
The Reeman robot possesses excellent environmental awareness. Its chassis integrates laser SLAM and 3D camera fusion technology, enabling intelligent obstacle avoidance. After navigating the map, the robot simply needs a click on the designated location to carry out precise delivery tasks. It can swiftly navigate through narrow spaces in the factory and deliver the shoe materials to the relevant colleagues' workstations, usually taking only 5 to 7 seconds for the entire process.
What changes did the factory experience after introducing delivery robots?
Firstly, the delivery robot significantly shortened the transportation time of shoe materials within the factory, enhancing production efficiency. Secondly, the robot's continuous operation eliminated fatigue and human errors, ensuring stable delivery services. Additionally, with its automatic obstacle avoidance feature, the robot guarantees the safe transportation of shoe materials. Most importantly, introducing delivery robots reduced the burden on the workers, enabling them to focus more on the production process and increasing overall productivity.
How did the robot impact production costs?
The introduction of delivery robots resulted in a significant improvement in our production efficiency. The stable operation of the robots allowed us to recoup our investment costs within just a few months. Moreover, the running and maintenance costs of the robots are relatively low, making them easy to manage. In the long run, this has had a very positive impact on our production cost effectiveness.
Any insights worth sharing during the digital transformation process?
Digital transformation is a comprehensive change process that requires the support and cooperation of all employees. Alongside introducing delivery robots, we also optimized and upgraded the factory's management and processes. This made our shoe material factory smarter and more efficient.
Embrace the digital production with robots. To learn more about digital factories, feel free to contact us.